Yo, 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 what is going on, Fiverr family? What is up? Alright, so for all of you that are coming to me with your questions, wanting to see signal examples, or maybe you want to try out a free trial, which I'm no longer offering, unfortunately, um, I want to give you guys an idea of what to expect. And what to expect on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis, depending on how long you're set up with the signals. But what I have labeled in the description is on average 5 to 10 signals a week. What we do is we follow a select couple pairs of foreign exchange currencies along with the dollar index, which we follow tremendously. So what we do is we will begin our week with the dollar index analysis, and we will predict what's going to happen with the U.S. dollar pairs. And we that's our main basis behind the signals, along with other pairs in which we are aligning with different confluence and just incorporating because it's part of our trading criteria right now. But let's get to it. I want to get you guys just on a quick example from like the last couple of weeks. Actually, first off, let's just start off with this glory, which this got banned unfortunately because we were advertising sharing profit on TradingView, but we did get some good advertising in shout TradingView. But this was the last post that unfortunately got banned. But just look at those entries, man. When price dropped down to $0, 0 cents a barrel, we're sitting at 25 right now. We know it's gonna go back up to 43. But yeah, we're waiting. Okay, so let's start off with this sell, April 21st, only about 2 weeks ago. So Euro Aussie sell, and you can see our entries. So as you know, this is entry point, stop loss, maximum stop loss, take profit, and I'll usually describe the types of signals and the types of moves that we're going to expect, as you can see here. And we caught the re-entries right here this week, actually. Euro GBP aligned with it. Same type of idea. It's moving slowly. This is the 12-hour time frame. GBP USD. See, like this is a weekly outlook. I will give you guys weekly ideas and give you the full understanding, the full breakdown. But it's more about like I do want you to understand the swing outlooks for my trading setups. That's the most important thing to understand, I believe, is the higher time frames. And then how are you going to catch the lower time frame moves if you don't know what's going on in the higher time frames? Okay, so we utilize it all. So just be prepared for that. So like that was the higher time frame, and then this was the lower time frame entry that week, as you can see, like 100 pip stop, but we caught like 300 pips off of this easy, and we were taking profit around right here. But yep, we caught the shorts actually, like up here. I'll show you them in the upcoming posts. UJ, we're still waiting for this, but big entries on that. AU, same idea. We caught sells right here. We caught sells perfectly up here. Like you're seeing the call outs by the pip, and I'm telling you exactly what we're expecting. Entries, all that kit and caboodle stuff. Okay, so this is an example of the dollar index outlook, weekly outlook. I'll show you it, even though the analysis is on point. But the thing is, we're still battling the wave. So we got entries because of this outlook. We knew price had potential to drop down here, so we still scooped entries on USD pairs, and that are catching us mad profit this week as we continue to go into profit, assuming we are going to continue with longs with that pair. And what's interesting about that is because when you're long dollar index, you're also going to be short euro dollar. Well, we are taking euro dollar shorts, where I'll show you, but against the euro dollar, we're also trading euro NZD right now. But what I just want to show you by this is like, dude, when you are really aware of what's going on the higher time frame, you can catch the smaller moves depending on the trade. So like for this entry, for example, this is a big move that's at play. But if you went low risk on this entry last week and got re-entries this week at our entry level, which is like it's direct, we are assuming a push at least back up to a weekly resistance. But dude, you could have caught 200 pips. We caught 200 plus pips just on this little pivot last week. So yeah, it's just like easy moves. Just gotta understand the higher time frame. setup sequence. Um, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's just been doing good. She's pretty slow. We don't really send out crypto analysis. I just wanted to show you. I don't know why I showed you that. GU, same thing. We're shorting her with EU. Like I'm telling you the entries too. You will get the actual entry output input when I send the signals to you through Fiverr. Euro GBP re-entries this week. And we're tapping our entry level again right now. Students are looking for sells. Euro USD, yo. Man, it's 12-hour time frame. You know the pips. I'll let you guys count them. And then Euro Aussie on the re-entry this week. It's like, it's not too many signals. Yo, I'm going to send you 5 to 10 solid signals on a weekly basis. Some weeks there's actually maybe less than 5. Some weeks, yo, I'm seeing mad signals and I'll send even more than I'm planning on taking. But I want to get you guys the hot trades that I'm taking. This is the type of quality I'll be sending you. If you enjoy this and you want to work with us, please hit us up. We're always looking for new people to work with. We love working with y'all, and we love the energy. I love you guys. Have a beautiful day. Deuces.